welcome back to week 6 of the 7 things we are ditching in 2023. This week, we are ditching artificial light. So in the last email, I covered all of the reasons how artificial light is impacting our health and the things that we can still do to live in the modern world, yet combat all of the things that artificial light is affecting. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about why it's important to not only do those things, where at the same time we are combating the artificial light and ditching it, we are also going to optimize and utilize natural light. So one of the things that really impacts our life is what we call our circadian rhythm or our sleep-awake cycle. So in this cycle, this is rising with the sun and going to bed with the sun. And so throughout this cycle, our hormones fluctuate, our sleep has different times during the night. We have REM sleep and deep sleep, and different things happen during those phases of how deep and restorative our sleep is, what's happening with our brain. Our hormones cycle throughout the night as well. So we get a burst of growth hormone and different things that are going to impact our hormones during the day. If you're have any issues with sleep or even energy, so any fatigue during the day, sleep and fatigue usually go hand in hand, but doing this is going to help reset that cycle and everything that is on it to help optimize our daily life and our energy and our recovery and a whole slew of things that go with that. And so this is called our cortisol awakening response. And so in the morning, our cortisol spikes between like 6 and 7 a.m. spikes really high. So this is what gets us up out of bed. This is a natural response of cortisol. So it spikes in the morning and then it slowly tapers down throughout the day and to be low at night, which is what we want so that we can sleep. What happens is that spike of cortisol in the morning is our peak spike throughout the day. And so if we're feeling fatigued and ours is just barely spiking, we don't really have much to give throughout the day. And so to optimize this cortisol awakening response and get us up out of bed, this is going to boost our energy, this is helping our adrenals, and give us more life throughout the day, is by getting natural sunlight in our eyes. And so at the same time we are ditching the artificial light, we also have to optimize natural light to help reset this cycle. And so the way we boost that cortisol awakening response in the morning is by waking up and getting sunlight or full spectrum light, sunlight is best, within the first 20 to 30 minutes of waking. So that means waking up when your alarm goes off and opening all of the blinds or going outside or whatever full spectrum light that you can get in your eyes within those 30 minutes. This does not mean rolling over and looking at your phone for a couple minutes, a couple hours, whatever it is. That light will the blue light and other artificial light from your phone will totally disrupt this entire circadian rhythm, just as it does at night. And so we're optimizing natural light by getting full spectrum light in our eyes within those first 20 or 30 minutes, which is going to help spike that cortisol awakening response in the morning and give us more energy during the day and also help us actually sleep better at night. So we are naturally helping drive the natural response of this curve, our natural sleep-wake cycle. So especially if you're having trouble sleeping, doing this in the morning will actually help you sleep better at night. So this is a great little tool. In the morning, I get up, I open the blinds, or if you get up before the sun, I want you to get up and turn on as many lights as possible. So just get as much light into your eyes as possible within those first 20 or 30 minutes of waking. Again, sunlight is best. I get up, I drink water, and I go outside and I ground bare feet in the grass in my front yard, and I soak in the sun and I just hang out there for 10 or 15 minutes, 5 minutes if you have it. It doesn't matter. Whatever the easiest way for you to get that sunlight. Now, if you're somewhere where it's cold, even sitting by a window, as long as it's open while you drink your coffee or your tea or whatever in the morning, is the best way to spark that and get that going in the morning. For the next couple of weeks, I would love to see you guys implement this and hear how it's changing your energy and how it's impacting your sleep and all of the other things that are going to change. So again, this is just getting up, getting sunlight in your eyes within the first 20 or 30 minutes, and then going on for the rest of your day. So This is really going to impact so many things in your health, and it's such an easy and natural way to really help boost your energy for the day, get better sleep, help optimize your hormones, your energy, your recovery, everything like that. Super simple, super easy. It's just one of those things that you have to do. So again, whatever time you have in the morning, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, nice and quiet. You can go meditate, you can do breathing exercises, just stare blankly into the sun and relax, whatever you want to do in the morning. But implementing this will change so many things for you. So I would love to hear from you guys if you start implementing this and hear about the changes and the way it's impacting you.